The ZONESUN ZS-YG300 is a high-speed vial capping machine engineered for precision and consistency. Featuring an advanced single-blade capping module, it securely seals vials with stable torque control, ideal for pharmaceutical and biotech applications. Its fast operation and reliable performance meet GMP standards, ensuring leak-proof, tamper-resistant closures. Compact and efficient, the ZS-YG300 is perfect for high-throughput production lines requiring hygienic, accurate, and secure vial sealing.